This is Earth 315 and the chances of the asteroid hitting it is 100%. The possible impact locations are Bogota, Colombia, Lagos, Nigeria, Dhaka, Bangladesh and Mumbai, India. Among all the potential impact locations, Mumbai stands out as the wealthiest and most economically significant city. A direct hit here wouldn't just be a local disaster, it would send shockwaves through global markets and trade.
Reports from the Japanese say that 126
In 1945, the deadliest nuke in human history was dropped on Hiroshima, causing 80,000 casualties instantly and over 140,000 casualties from radiation and injuries. The asteroid hitting the Earth is predicted to be over 500 times stronger than the nuke dropped on Hiroshima. The size of the asteroid is 40 to 90 meters and its speed is 15 to 20 kilometers per second. It will take milliseconds for the asteroid to reach the sea level from the troposphere. The asteroid would vaporize instantly on impact due to extreme pressure and friction. A fireball hotter than the sun will instantly incinerate everything within a 2 to 3 kilometer radius. The 22 million people living in Mumbai wouldn't even have time to react. It will be over for the metropolitan in less than a second. A superheated shockwave will expand outward at more than 1000 km per hour, flattening all buildings across South Mumbai and beyond. No one within a 10 km radius will survive. The pressure wave would burst lungs and shatter glass up to 50 km away.
A strong 7.3 magnitude earthquake has...
The impact will trigger an earthquake of more than 7.5 magnitude. Buildings that are already damaged by the shockwave will be crumbled by the immediate ground shaking. Underground water pipes and gas lines will rupture, leading to fires and flooding. Railways, highways and tunnels will be destroyed, cutting off escape routes. Severe shaking will damage buildings as far as 200 kilometers in Pune, Nashik and surrounding areas. Population outside the 10 km radius of ground zero will suffer third-degree burns. The intense heat will ignite buildings, trees and vehicles instantly. The superheated fireball created on impact and the fires happening all at once would rapidly deplete the surrounding oxygen, making it impossible to breathe.
This time in Sylmar in the San Fernando.
Superheated embers will rain down across the city, igniting secondary fires in areas previously untouched. The air will be filled with toxic fumes, making survival even harder. The thick smoke will spread beyond Mumbai, turning day into night for hundreds of kilometers. India is one of the largest importers of oil. If its economy collapses, the global oil market will be thrown into chaos. US relies on stable oil prices. Sudden shocks could cause inflation, raising the cost of gas, transportation and goods. This would lead to a domino effect, higher costs for shipping, food and daily essentials. India supplies 47% of the generic drugs used in the US. It's also the largest producer of vaccines in the whole world. India is also the second largest producer of active pharmaceutical ingredient. Essential medicines like antibiotics, insulin and chemotherapy drugs come from India. If Mumbai is wiped out, hospitals and pharmacies worldwide will face shortages, leading to price hikes and a potential health crisis. The impact zone is still uninhabitable, but now nature is taking over. Scientists and military personnel occasionally visit, but only in protective suits. On Earth 315, Mumbai is gone. The world has changed. 5 years later, the scars remain: economic, environmental and emotional. But on our Earth, life goes on. Mumbai streets are still bustling, its skyline is still standing, and the world remains untouched by any space rocks capable of what we just saw.